In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Drive file URL link to make a copy automatically. By the end, you'll have a clean link you can share that prompts anyone who opens it to create their own copy, protecting your original file while making distribution effortless. Start by opening Google Drive from the Google Apps menu. That's the grid icon in the top right corner of most Google pages. Click it, then choose Drive to open your Drive homepage. Find the specific file you want to share as a copy template. This can be a Google Doc, Sheet, Slide, or most other Google file types stored in Drive. Hover over the file and click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. From there, select Share. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. Change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Set the permission to Viewer, so people can access the file without editing your original. They only need to view it to make a copy. This setting ensures that anyone who has the link can open it, which is required for the automatic copy prompt to work. Now, click Copy Link. Paste that link somewhere you can edit it, like a Notes app or your browser's address bar without pressing Enter yet. Look at the end of the URL. Most Google file links end in something like /edit, USP = sharing. Select the word edit and everything that follows it, delete that part, and replace it with the single word copy. Your link should now end with /copy. If your link says view instead of edit, the same idea applies. Replace from that word to the end with copy. That small change is the key. Share this modified link with your audience. When someone opens it, they won't land on your original file. Instead, they'll see a Make a Copy prompt. They just click the button and Google Drive instantly creates a personal copy in their My Drive. Your original stays untouched, which is perfect for templates, assignments, or standardized documents you want others to use without altering your version. A quick tip: keeping the permission at Viewer is usually best. It minimizes confusion and ensures the copy flow works smoothly. Also, remember that setting the link to Anyone with the link makes the content broadly accessible, so only use it for files you're comfortable sharing. That's it. Open Drive through Google Apps, choose your file, click Share, set General Access to Anyone with the link, copy the link, change the end from Edit to Copy, and share that updated URL. Simple, reliable, and a great way to distribute materials safely.